How to fix Instagram chat team option not showing in less than 1 minute. Hello guys, first thing, open the settings on your phone, go to the apps manager, and then after you open the apps on this page you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. So all what you want to do here is scroll down until you find the Instagram, click on it, and then click on this force stop option, go to the data usage, make sure to disable all those options right here, and then enable them again. Go back, click on storage, click on clear cache, clear data, and now you have to update your Instagram in the Play Store. It's very easy. Or what you want to do is open the Play Store, search for Instagram, and you will find an update option right here. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching this video until the very end.